I'm coming.
Okay, so we just went to see what it is like outside there. It's a rainy day and luckily the sun is out. The sun is out. So it's going to be a good day.
Yeah,
it's gonna
so
be
you have to be out here.
Exactly. Yeah,
rain
so
is not an excuse.
this is Alaka Estate. Once you come into the street, just drive all the way down. And then at number 31, Olujare Street.
Alaka Estate, Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria. You
Good
have
morning.
no excuse. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aki and her name is Joy. We'll both be here waiting for you at the Meet, Drink and Demo Open House.
Yes.
Today we're going to be showing you around what to expect.
Yes.
Just a peep into what you should be expecting.
Yeah.
Now let's go, Joy, if you're ready. Let's go. The first thing to do is to have a selfie with Cynthia. The first thing to do is to have a selfie with Cynthia. So we come in here and then we do selfie with Cynthia. And of course, this selfie, you can always tag Technology Global.
Hey, don't forget to tag the printed bag.
Joy is just an handful. I don't know what to do with you, Joy. Anyway, tag Technology Global, tag the printed